Welcome back to the Fujikura 100S Fusion Splicer training series. In this episode, we'll cover maintenance and cleaning, simple habits that protect splice quality and keep your equipment running reliably in the field. Most splice issues don't start with the splicer recipe, they start with contamination. Routine cleaning prevents high loss, repeat work, and inconsistent results. Maintenance protects three things: alignment accuracy, fiber seating, and arc stability. First, clean the V-grooves regularly. Any debris here affects how the fiber seats and can lead to alignment problems and inconsistent results. Next, clean the clamp chips and the clamp area. If the clamp areas aren't clean, fibers can shift and seat inconsistently, especially in high volume work. Keep the lenses clean. Dirty optics reduce splicers' ability to view fibers clearly, which can impact alignment and inspection. Include a dust check as part of your routine. Dust check helps confirm whether contamination is present so you can address it before it shows up as a high loss or inconsistent splices. Run dust check as directed by the splicer interface. If the splicer indicates contamination, clean the affected area and recheck. Now, let's talk about electrodes. The 100S will prompt you when electrodes need attention. When prompted, stabilize or replace electrodes to maintain stable arc performance. Always remember the electrodes and heater are hot during and after operation. Allow cooling before performing any maintenance around hot components. Electrode life is approximately 6,000 splices, and the electrodes are designed to be replaceable without a tool. Replacing them when needed helps maintain consistent results. Splice quality also depends on cleave quality, so the cleaver is part of your maintenance routine too. The CT60 includes 28 blade positions and supports smart blade management to help maintain consistent cleaves. When paired, the splicer can support active blade management, monitor cleave quality, and directing blade rotation when needed. This reduces the burden to manually tracking blade position. If the cleave quality starts to degrade, address the cleaver first. Rotate the blade as needed and keep the cleaver clean. Clean cleaves support low loss splicing. Finally, a few field habits make a big difference. Maintain a dust-free work area as much as possible. Keep prep materials clean, manage fiber shards properly, and avoid letting debris migrate into the splicer. Let's recap. Clean the V-grooves, clamp chips, and lenses regularly. Run dust check as part of the routine upkeep. Stabilize or replace electrodes when prompted. And keep the CT60 in top shape by managing blade rotation when the cleave quality declines. Beyond performance and automation, the 100S also is designed to protect your investment and support you long after the splice is complete. The Fujikura 100S includes GPS-based features that support asset protection and traceability. The splicer can record the geographic location of each splice, helping document where work was performed. This provides an additional layer of documentation for network builds, maintenance records, and quality assurance. In addition to recording location data, the 100S supports location-based locking. A secured zone can be defined so the splicer operates normally within the approved area. If the splicer is moved outside that authorized zone, it can automatically lock, helping prevent unauthorized use or theft. For technicians, it's important to recognize that a lock condition is a security feature, not a splicer failure. If a splicer enters a locked state, follow your company's procedure for authorization and support. No matter how experienced you are, there are many times when you need assistance. AFL provides direct support for Fujikura splicing equipment. If you have questions or want to discuss a specific issue before sending your equipment in, contact AFL Technical Support at 1-800-235-34 2423, option 3. Technical support can help you with repeated errors, unusual behavior, calibration questions, or general workflow guidance. If your splicer needs service or repair, AFL provides a straightforward service request process. To request service, submit an AFL product service request using the online form. After submitting the form, you'll receive a service number and shipping instructions. Once the unit is received, AFL will evaluate it and provide a repair summary and cost information before completing service. The goal is simple: minimize downtime and get you back to work as quickly as possible.